Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 BMW S1000RR Premium. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 8,805 miles and passes New York State inspection. It should be noted that in New Hampshire this bike would fail because of its rear turn signals, but in New York this is not an issue. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the exhaust, a blemish on the front wheel, and the vinyl peel on the right side of the lower fairing. This bike has one key and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with an Akrapovic slip-on muffler, BMW M Edition wheels, a gold chain, tank pad, an NRC rear fender eliminator kit, aftermarket headers, a link pipe, and integrated LED rear turn signals. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.